What is vlogging? A video blog, vlog, or vlogging is the setting up of a specific channel on a video sharing site such as YouTube and uploading videos on a regular basis. The goal of your vlog is to provide engaging content in a specific niche that will create a reaction from viewers and grow your following or subscriber base. Vlogging took off around 10 years ago when video sharing sites such as YouTube became really popular. Videos are a lot more interesting than text-based content. Most people would sooner watch a short video than read hundreds of words of text. Can vlogging really make you money? Yes, it certainly can. But you need to go about it in the right way, which is what this training is all about. We will show you how to choose a niche to vlog about, the best video platform to use, how to set up your channel correctly, and a lot more. Why should you start a vlog? There are many good reasons why you should start a vlog right now. The first of these is that video has tremendous impact these days. YouTube and Facebook currently dominate the world of internet video. There is a reason that both of these platforms introduce live streaming video. It is what people want. People like to watch videos, and in particular, they like vlogs. Some of the most successful channels on YouTube are vlogs. Once you start to get a following for your vlog, the word will spread quickly and you will get a lot more subscribers. Vlogging is one of the best ways for you to share your talents, ideas, and thoughts about a subject. When you create a vlog, your audience is not expecting Hollywood movie quality. In fact, quite the opposite. A vlog needs to be natural and casual and really connect with the viewer. There are all kinds of successful vlogs out there. A lot of travel vlogs allow the vloggers to travel around the world through donations, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and other revenue opportunities. Take a look at the popularity of reality TV. People like to watch other ordinary people doing things that they love. If you have a specific talent, then you can show the world how you put this to good use. Once you start to build a following, then there will be opportunities for you to market your skills. By demonstrating that you are really good at something in your vlog, you are bound to get requests from people interested in hiring you. Some people start a vlog because they want to document their life and create a memory to share with future generations. They have no financial aspirations for doing this. This is a training about making money from vlogging, so we wouldn't recommend this approach. However, a number of vloggers who started off in this way have made passive income. There are already some very successful vloggers on YouTube that make a significant income from their vlog. People like Roman Atwood, Lily Singh, Casey Neistat, Zoella, and Alfie Diaz are all good examples. These people all have deals with brands where they make a significant income. Brands constantly scour YouTube for new vloggers, and if they can find good ones, they will approach them directly with deals or sponsorship. There are so many opportunities to make money with vlogging. You can start vlogging right now. There's no need for you to purchase expensive camera equipment to start with. If you have a smartphone, which can record high-quality video, then you are good to go. However, if you could invest in good recording equipment, we would always recommend this. When you have finished shooting your footage, you can then upload this to your computer and use free video editing programs such as Windows Movie Maker for Windows machines or iMovie for Mac. Yes, there are better video editors out there, but you don't need them to get started. You don't even need a website. Use YouTube as your vlogging platform. It is a good idea to have social accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and build a following on these so that you can let everyone know when you have launched a new video. A number of vloggers use affiliate marketing to generate revenue. For example, there are a number of successful makeup and cosmetic vlogs, and the owners promote products and make commissions as an affiliate. What should your vlog be about? The number one rule with creating a vlog is to make it about something that you are really interested in. There are no hard and fast rules here. You can literally create a vlog about anything. But we would suggest that you follow the steps below to identify a really good vlogging subject. 1. Write a list of the things that really interest you in life, including everything here such as things that you enjoy doing at work, in your leisure time, with your friends, and so on. 2. Write a second list of the talents that you have. Don't even think that you have no talents. You will be good at some things for sure. 3. Look at these lists and think about the commercial opportunities with each interest and talent. If you are a sports fan, for example, and follow a particular team, then is there an opportunity there for you? Some sports vlog owners are millionaires. 4. Use the Google Keyword Planner to check to see how many searches a month exist for your interests and talents. You can also search on YouTube to see what videos appear and how many views and subscribers they have. 5. Choose your vlogging subject based on the best mix of interest or talent and commercial opportunity. Most vlogging trainings will tell you to just vlog about something that you are passionate about. Well, you will certainly need to be passionate about your vlogging, but not all subjects have the same money-making potential. 6. Once you have chosen a vlogging subject or niche, you will need to test it to see if you can create many videos with it. People will want to see you vlog often. You can't just upload one video and expect miracles. So is there enough material for you to create a weekly or monthly vlog? In the next video, you will find some great ideas for starting a profitable vlog. The advantages of starting a vlog. There are a number of advantages of a vlog over a standard blog. The main reason that people prefer to create standard blogs is that it is easier than creating a vlog. You can write a post for a standard blog fairly quickly or outsource it to a professional writer, but it is a fact that people prefer video. With a standard blog, it's very difficult to develop a following. Ranking blogs in the search engines is really tough these days, and there are people promoting different blogs all over social media. The competition is tough. Yes, there is competition in vlogging, but it is a lot less intense. People vlog for more exposure. It is easier to get visitors to a vlog than it is to a standard blog. Videos are more likely to go viral. You have a lot more chance of one of your vlog videos going viral than a standard blog post. Videos are more interactive. It is easier to persuade people to do something with a video than it is with a written blog post. You will be much more likely to achieve higher conversion rates with good videos. Video tutorials are really effective. People like to know how to do certain things. If you can show them how to achieve something with a video tutorial, then this is far more interesting than them having to read a long blog post with screenshots. You can vlog live. With the live streaming capabilities of YouTube and Facebook, you can create some videos live. If you have an important announcement to make that tell people that there will be a live stream on a certain day and at a certain time, people really like live streaming video. There are a number of revenue-generating opportunities. From the YouTube partnership program to sponsorship, special deals with brands and affiliate marketing to name but a few, popular vlogs have many options when it comes to making money. You need to be really committed to your vlog. If you spend a few months adding videos to your channel and then stop for a while, people will easily forget you. This means that you will have wasted time and effort for nothing. If you choose a subject for vlogging and there are other vloggers on YouTube in the same niche, then don't let this put you off. Remember that you are the subject of your vlog. You are different to those other vloggers with your unique personality.